This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android and Bgmi versions so you know which permission flow to follow. This avoids surprises. Once done, open Settings and locate Apps or App Management, then tap Bgmi. Make sure you have a file manager installed in case manual file access is needed. You're taking these steps now because the OS often changes permission prompts between updates, and being prepared avoids repeated attempts later. You'll now grant the actual storage permission so Bgmi can read and write game assets. Tap Permissions, then Storage. Pick Allow while using App for normal access, or All Files access if Bgmi needs legacy file read writes. If the storage toggle is off or missing, go back to Special Access or Advanced Permissions and enable All Files access for Bgmi. Make these choices consciously, because incorrect settings. You finish by launching Bgmi and testing a download or loading screen to confirm permissions worked. This verifies read/write success. If issues persist, clear the app cache, then restart the device. If still blocked, reinstall Bgmi after backing up data. As a key troubleshooting tip, check power saving settings, SD card mount state, or any storage encryption that can block access. These system-level restrictions often masquerade as permission problems, so resolve them before repeating permission changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.